Hey guys, this is Tepco Cycle Repair. Today working on a Lawn Boy. This is a no start. So what's happening here is we got good spark, we got fuel, we have compression, everything is good, but pulling it, it just doesn't start here. Let me show you. This has got the easy start. Nothing. So it's a pretty common problem with these, especially ones that have been sitting. We're going to go ahead and drain the fuel, and I'll show you what's going on. Water in the fuel. It happens all the time. This one has a drain bolt right here. Make sure you drain this one and also crack the lowest one to get all the water out of there. You can hold the bowl up and take this one out all the way. Some gas is going to flow through, but make sure that you drain the gas tank completely. Put some regular fresh gas in there, pour it out, and don't use an old can. Make sure you have an empty can that you put your gas in to make sure that your gas is completely clean, because a lot of times the gas tank will sit outside for a while, collect water, and then you just put gas in that one and you just pour water back into the tank. These things will not run on water, although I always find water inside of them. This is a constant, common problem that you're going to find with these mowers. And a lot of times you just drain that bowl out and you're good to go. So guys, hopefully this helps you out. Get your mower running. It's an easy fix. I would dump your fuel out probably at the end of every season to make sure that everything is completely dry, and you'd be good to go, especially sitting over the winter time. So if you want to run some heat in there or something that pushes to help gets the water through the system, that'll help as well. But yeah guys, hit the like button. Please subscribe for me. It helps me out. And until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.